Hello peoples, I am going to do a little experiment, and with this experiment I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. I'm going to be putting some really exciting mica, whatever it is, colors together. I'm not going to put white, just want white at the bottom. There we go, and a very dark color. Don't know how that's going to work, but we'll see. Now I'm going to put in the plunger, turn it upside down. Oh, don't let it spurt out, because I have to push it up until it comes out the top. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to put some of this paint in the middle. Then I'm going to squirt this on top. Ew, that is pretty. It really is pretty, but not what I was going for. That wasn't what I was going for, peoples. Too much of that dark color. But we're gonna put some of this smack down the middle here, and then I'm gonna go back through it, zip, and see what we get. Well, I bet some will say, ooh, that is pretty, because of the mother of pearl effect in it. But I'm not so satisfied. See, there's little bits in there. I don't like that. I do like this though. But ooh, there's a lot of those, the dark brown little thingies. See that? Can you see that here? So that's not that pretty. Ew, now I'm covered in paint. There's nothing more popping up. A little bit there though, but that's about it. And it is totally ugly. I don't like it one little bit, so I'm going to try and pour that off. There it goes. Pour down here. Now we get that really nice bit in the middle. But no, this is not it. Now, why I'm doing this online, I'll tell you, because well, first off, I do everything with you guys, so I would say maybe I've done 2 without videoing, but usually I do everything with you guys. I'm trying to find out what the best way is to mix up this the mica stuff. See that? That is really pretty. Let's put some on here and let us swipe it. See what happens. That's kind of pretty. And now it's gone. See, that is what I'm sort of going for, but then with a little bit of cells in it. Oh, there comes some cells. That's kind of pretty. But I'm not liking the dirty mixed up colors. So let's see what happens when we do this. I should get my little clothy thing. See, that's kind of nice. See if we can get some cells in here. Yep, a few little ones. But I'm sort of figuring out what to mix it with and see what the effects are, what we get. This is gold. Put some gold down here. There we go. And up here. Oops, almost knocked over my water bottle. Yeah. That's going to give us a few little cells. But, you know, in the end, this is just one big mess. So there are some really nice colors in it, but other than that, it's not that interesting. And look at it run. I think it's just way too thin. And when paint is really thin, as you can see, the cells are already gone. And that's something that a lot of you comment on in my videos, that you get these amazing cells and then after a while they're gone. Well, the thing is that if you get that, your paint is too thin. Now, what you can do to thicken it up, because it depends on what you're mixing, what kind of paints, what kind of mediums. But if you cannot make it thicker, you know, if you've added no water whatsoever, so then you're sort of stuck, what you can do is put in PVA glue. And PVA glue is pretty thick, so it'll thicken everything up. So that's about your, you know, your to-go thing. If you don't add water, because if you want thicker paint and you're adding water, just add less water. But sometimes you'll make a mixture without water, then the only thing you can add is PVA glue, the thick one. So this is, as you can see, the colors are nice. That's okay, but other than that, it is a butt ugly painting. I might just keep it, you know, I might just frame it with one of those small frames I have. I can cut it off the wooden frame and just do that. That might, you know, work, because there are some pretty colors in there. But other than that, we can say mislukt. That is the Dutch word for, you know, it didn't work out. Mislukt. We have names for everything. So, okay guys, I'm gonna clean this all up and we're gonna do something different. So see you in a bit.